Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to Abby's Chaotic Kitchen. And today we are going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies. Excuse me. My daughter requested this. We are having a baby shower for her tomorrow, and so I am going to make these. I've actually never made Snickerdoodles. But I got this recipe from Kitchen Tool on TikTok, and I will list him below. He has a lot of great recipes. So let's get started. We're going to start with our dry ingredients, and we're going to need 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Okay, and to that we want to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt, which is what I have in here. And you want to add 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, or as he says, cream of tartar. Okay, give this all a good little mix. Okay, we're going to set this to the side. We're going to bring in this bowl and do our wet ingredients. So we're going to start with half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup or 2 sticks of room temperature butter. I had to microwave mine a little bit. It was not room temperature yet. Okay, so I got that butter in here. It was being stubborn for some reason. But anyway, we are going to cream this together. I'm going to use my electric mixer. Okay, once you get that good and creamed, you want to go ahead and scrape down the sides of your bowl. And we're going to add 2 eggs, but we're going to do it one at a time. It's part of the process. I'm not sure how it works, but there's science behind it. Okay, so once you get your 2 eggs added in there one at a time, then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And mix. Okay. We're going to hold on for a second. Now we are going to add our dry to our wet, a half at a time. That looks about half. Okay, I'm going to try the mixer. It may not work, so I may have to go to the spatula. You just really want to make sure that the flour is worked in there. My hands are clean. Okay, so I went ahead and got our dry mixture mixed in with our wet. I ended up having to use my spatula, but this is what it's looking like. And so we are going to make our cinnamon sugar coating, and we are going to do 1 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And if you don't like that much cinnamon, then just use 1. Okay, And then next you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. He didn't say to chill the dough, so we're going to go ahead and move on with the next steps that he said to do. Get a lined baking sheet. Oh, I guess we should whisk the cinnamon and sugar together first. But then you want a lined baking sheet with parchment paper or aluminum foil. If you use aluminum foil, spray it down. I know from experience. Oh, that's beautiful. I could go on some butter toast right there. That's nice. Okay. So get your ice cream scooper. Make you a ball. Like that. Throw it in the cinnamon sugar mixture. He did 2 or 3 at a time. And you just want to make sure you're getting them all coated with the cinnamon and sugar all around there. And then we're just going to place them right on our parchment paper. And we're going to do that with all the dough. Or with what we can fit on here. Make sure you leave at least 2 inches apart. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this with all the dough. Okay, so I got them all on the tray here. I've dipped them. I took my scooper and dipped them all in the cinnamon sugar mixture. So it's going to go in 350 degrees for 9 minutes. I am really excited. Okay, so the first batch is done. It came out looking and smelling amazing. And so I am ready to try this. I've still got my other ingredients out because I'm also, remember this is for my daughter's baby shower, so I'm also going to be making oatmeal raisin cookies and chocolate chip cookies. And I have videos on each one of those if you guys want to find those. I'm going to give this a try while they're still kind of nice and warm. Look at the bottom of that. 9 minutes. I mean, it did it 9 minutes. Perfect. Man, that's good. Why haven't I made these before? Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. If you're enjoying the channel, please give us a like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Give us a comment. Tell us hi. Say anything. Let us know you're out there. We'll see you soon. Thank you.